I'm gonna try to keep my energy up, but I am like, I did have COVID this week, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Today we are building the White Glint. This is a reprint of the old Kotobukiya variable infinity line that they did for Armored Core kits for, I think it was everything from 4 to Verdict Day. They did kits for. These are a little notorious for being maybe not the best in the world to build. Also, someone on TikTok asked how fast I can build a Gundam with no interruptions or breaks. I built a entry grade in sub 10 minutes. It's on my YouTube. I'm a speedrunner. All right, I think we got I think we're cooking with this. All right, so we've got 2. We're almost done with the arms, it looks like. We only have okay, let's do the arms real fast. We're actually really close to being done with the arms. Whoa, we got the punchers. This is cool. I like this kit so far. Oh, it's got a cute little kickstand. Yay! Whoa, this is fucking badass. Holy shit. Top 5 robot feat of all time? Perhaps? Oh, we finally got head attached. Check that out, chat room. I love Armored Core! Check that out! This is so cool! That's as good as it's gonna get, chat room. It's not perfect, but it is existent. Shall we do final judgments? Alright, chat room, so we just finished building our Kotobukiya Variable Infinity Line Arc White Glint from Armored Core. Let me get the box. There we go. This is an older Armored Kit model that got reprinted recently, I can assume because of the hype surrounding the upcoming 30-minute missions, Armored Core kits. This kit is weird. It's old. So here it is. It's very cool. We're gonna go pros and cons. Pros, it's got an absurd amount of detail. Like, it's got venting for the assault armor modes, which is really cool. It's got flaps for the missile pods. It's got little tiny, like, piping details all along it. It's super duper cool. Downsides, it's an old Kotobukiya kit, which means the polycaps, not great, pretty bad. And it has some really, really weird building mechanisms. A lot of pieces don't fit super duper well. And it can be a little bit frustrating. It's not as bad as the horror stories maybe made it out to be that I've heard about these kits and these old Armored Core kits, but it's definitely a far cry from any robot model kit from like the last 5 years. Even Kotobukiya's recent releases are really good. But yeah, this one just suffers from age mostly. I can't imagine. I mean, the 30-minute missions kits will not be anything like this. So it's very cool to get an Armored Core kit. I would say with these being reprinted, if you want one, now's absolutely the time to pick it up. Just expect something that's maybe not as straightforward as some of the newer, even Kotobukiya model kits. But it is still very cool, and I'm happy to proudly show this off on my desk.